So I want to make this really short video and aim it directly at my Jamaican family, my Jamaican people. There's an old story that talks about how the forest, the trees in the forest, thought that the axe was their friend because the handle of the axe was made out of wood, not understanding that the axe is literally eviscerating the forest. All right? You can deduce from that what you will. And then there's the other story of the wooden horse of Troy. How the Greeks placed a wooden horse in Troy, gave it to them as a gift. It was filled with soldiers, but the Trojans didn't understand it. They didn't understand it until they woke up to their city on fire. Take from that what you will. There are a lot of people who would come and give you gifts, but you have to understand the gifts. Gifts comes with strings attached. And part of the problem for us as Jamaicans, we are so endued with the idea of freeness. We are so endued when somebody promises us freeness. They don't even have to give it to us. They just have to promise us some freedom. And we're ready to throw out all the gains just on the promise of something for free. Now, notwithstanding, it's even worse when they actually give something as they have given foreign interests, have given money to groups like Jamaicans For Justice, and you all, you think Jamaicans For Justice is in your corner. And some of you are so dense that you do not realize that when JFJ fights the police and demagogues the police, as Carolyn Gomes did when this subversive agency was put in our country and funded by foreign interests, including George Soros and the European Union, none of who has Jamaica's interests at heart, and other dark moneyed interests, people with power who have money. Ask yourself, why are they giving money to JFJ and not giving money to help to ease the crime situation in our country? Ask yourselves that. And the People's National Party that backs these groups, ask yourself why they're doing that. Think for yourselves, people. Why do they want Jamaica to be inundated with crime? They want our country to be inundated with crime because a country that's filled with crime cannot prosper, cannot progress. That country will continue to be a borough or nation, and thereby the people will be stuck in subservience. What does it take for you to understand that? Why do you think Jamaicans For Justice is attacking our police? Why do you think they're not talking about the far fewer numbers of people that are being Jamaicans, your people, your friends, your loved ones who are being killed? Why do you think Jamaicans For Justice never talk about the fewer number of people that these gangsters are killing, but they're talking about police killing the gangsters? What is wrong with you people? Where's your freaking head? How can you be so damn dense? I'm out.